Why you should consider enrolling at our side. Warning! You may just find the answer here. All swelling in the lymphatic system where lymph is filtered and lymphocytes are formed. Ito ay mga tinatawag sa Tagalog na o sa Pilipino na kulanin na kung saan ay nakakalat siya sa iba't ibang bahagi ng katawan. Matatagpuan sa iba't ibang bahagi ng katawan ng tao sa liig, sa collarbone at sa iba't ibang mga bahagi. Lymphatic vessels. The lymphatic vessels are characterized by thin walls. It has valves that carries lymph. As part of the lymphatic system, the lymph vessels are complementary to the cardiovascular system. What is a spleen? A spleen is as small as a bean and plays an important role in filtering the blood and fighting infection. What is a thymus? A thymus produces lymphocytes. It's the main center for providing immunity against harmful microorganisms.